Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, guys, that generation. If you need to find the fuse for the upstream, downstream oxygen sensors, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, where that fuse is located, how to get to it, why it's important to check the fuse, and where to buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel, you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times, you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys. We take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically, we'll demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, it will work as well. Before we guys start, let me explain. You will guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work the one that's right under the hood. When you open the hood above the radiator, you have that fuse box here. When you open the lid, you're going to see your fuses, and you will face them that way. You will be on this side, and the relays here will be facing the windshield. Before we start, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, that you will need to check specifically for upstream and downstream oxygen sensors will be located in that row right here. And if you come to the second fuse right here, that's a 20 amp fuse. That's the fuse, guys, that's super important fuse for your engine. It's for other things as well. We have multiple videos on the channel that will explain that. If you need to buy replacement fuses and relays at a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will talk about that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more information, and see you guys next time.